Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freese here again with Freese Forge, and I have officially received my first challenge. Crazy Chuck writes, I have a challenge for you if you so accept. Vikings needed to make a lot of nails for their ships, villages, etc. Could you make a certain amount of Northmen nails and time yourself? Yes, I can. That is exactly what I'm going to do. Thank you very much, Crazy Chuck. So I'm going to see how long it takes for me to make a nail, but the first thing I need in order to make a nail is a nail header. So I'm going to do that first, and then afterwards I'm going to make a nail and time myself and see how long it takes me to make one nail. Multiply that by however many it is that I need to make, depends on how much time I have today. Not a whole lot, so we might as well skip right to it. This is some 5/8 round from a tool, tool steel. Good stuff. It should work well for my nail header. And that's exactly what I'm going to use it for. Let's build this. Oh, look at that.
What happens if it gets you, that top part?
Sorry?
What happens if you get that stuff on your arm?
It burns.
Oh.
It hurts quite a bit. Scale
Have you ever
burns.
had it done?
Oh my, yes. Quite a few.
Quite so good at it.
Yeah, you kind of get burned and you learn how not to. How not to get burned.
In Minecraft, you have animals, so you can make game tags, game doors, stuff like that.
Oh, nice.
And then when you click on your horse, it shows you the name tag of it, the horse, so you can remember what its name is.
Nice. I haven't played that game, you know?
It's a really difficult game.
I can never get around the graphics.
You can get polar bears on it. Polar bears and polar bear cubs.
I just can't stand the graphics in that game. They're not very good. And for me, that matters. I'm gonna play a game I want good graphics.
He's going, whoa, whoa.
Okay, so 4 nails that I've made. Can't really see that, maybe. I'm not sure. 4 nails, I've made 4 nails, yay. Made my nail header in order to make those nails. The crickets are out and the night is late, so I am definitely done for the night. 4 is enough for me today. I'll be making a lot of these in future. Good exercise and repeatability. Watched a lot of videos on making these nail headers, but not actually a lot on the construction of the nails themselves. Ironically, I find myself lapsing in that. I researched the heck out of how to make the nail header, but not so much on the nails. Anyway, lots more to learn. I am only beginning. And if you have some suggestions as for how I can make my nail header better, or if you see any fatal flaws that I have made in this, please tell me. Leave a comment in the YouTube section, in the YouTube comment section below, as they say. And as for the nails, I definitely need help with those. I'm sure I'm missing some key components. I think it's just a better taper, as opposed to, I'm kind of like this one kind of just turned into a straight bar. It's a slight taper on it, but not really very much, not enough, clearly. Look at the head on that, it's horrible. Compare it to this one, this one's much better. But this nail also has a much better taper, so yeah, this is probably my best nail of the 4. Many more nails to come. An excellent exercise in repeatability that shall be repeated ad tedium, I'm sure. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe. You'll get updates on future videos and see all of my upcoming work. Be sure to take a look at the other videos that I have done. I've done several now. She's 14 or so. Yeah, about that, I think. Anyway, thank you very much. May the Force serve you well. Louder. Oh, come on. Again. Okay, I got some metal coming.